Have you heard nitro before? No, I don't think so. It gets you right here. If your group of buddies or your car club doesn't get together on Fridays for beers and talk cars and do a bunch of bench racing, then maybe you're not really a car club or a proper group of car buddies. So today, on this particular Friday, we're gonna burn a little nitro.
Check those other ones too. So we are in a loop here.
It's 36. Math says 36 to 39 there.
Yeah, now we're getting. Yeah.
Right.
Let's check through the switch, Mikey. Oh, you already got it apart?
Well, I know it needs the two posts to connect.
Okay.
Okay, do we want to check it again?
Bring that wire to here.
Might, but it should be able to. You got 36 there, so it should be. So red, what are we at here now? You're positive.
That's hot.
That's negative then, right?
Just make sure those don't touch each other.
I'm getting out of the way, man. This gets sketchier by the minute.
Have a look at the this situation. Oh, Tracy just knocked it over.
You started race car.
I'm coming out there, watch out.
Light him up. He can work the starter because he's going to be with us. Just keep using the light.
Just give me a smack. So when it fires, I gotta loosen that.
No, you're just going to take it off and sit on it.
No, you just have to pull it back towards you.
He's already this way.
You don't have to touch that.
You don't have to touch that. Okay, stop.
But I want you over there.
Trust me.
Yeah.
The 70's been working.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want headphones or earplugs? Okay. What'd you think of that, Teresa? I think that's your first, hey? Have you heard Nitro before? No, I don't think so. It gets you right here.
Scared me. Did you see me jump?
Yeah. Well, Pops, well done. Thanks for entertaining us.
This leak in there.
Quite a rush now. My heart's just getting
More successful than the last one.
It's because I wasn't driving and screwing it up.
No, you did fine. That was all me on the last one. You see the fuel wasn't pouring out of it this time?
Yeah.
You see when
It's a little
you see
crisper.
when that one cylinder popped on you?
I got it all over my hand.
That was because it quit firing for a couple of.
Once it loaded up and then
You
lit
can
off.
see once you seen the
fuel?
coming out, and then it cleared itself up.
Explosive.
Explosive, all right.
That's 100% nitro, 100% fuel.
So that typically clears itself up probably when you do the burnout. It just
Oh, yeah.
cleans the cylinders, makes everything happy again. Yeah.
Yeah. So what I was setting was the idle and the tug on the clutch.
Yeah.
So the more tug, I'm setting the RPM
Yeah.
so that it doesn't load up in the barrel valve. And so what I was turning was just to get the pipes just wet, like when you were in it last time, we blew the heads off it.
Yeah.
The fuel was pouring out. You can
Yeah.
go back to the old video and see that. This time we cleaned it up, so I just want the tips of the pipes wet on the high side.
Gotcha.
So we switched to low side, high side. So
Well done. Hey, you're probably shaking like crazy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's not every Friday we do that, but it was, because your timing was good.
yeah, I told you, no matter
We
what.
will.